The only BS I need is beauty sleep. I like this. Can't envision nothing else. Need you right now. Need you when I feel down. Hello everyone, happy Saturday. So we are going to be doing our PR unboxing this week, you guys. So it's actually a really slow week. I went to the PO box twice because I was like, I do not have enough packages. But usually whenever there is a holiday on a Monday, I don't know what it is, but it's like things always kind of like are really slow. So I know for sure it's going to pick up next week. So we've got a small week this week. I'm sorry, but it is what it is. I also uploaded a huge like ultimate baby registry guide on my Life of Maddie channel on Tuesday. So make sure to check that out. I will have it linked down below for you. So make sure to check out that video. I'm trying to get onto a schedule where I'm posting like every Tuesday and Saturday. So that way we get more into the routine. Right now we're like slowly getting done with this house. Now with Ross moving in, we have bunk beds being built tomorrow for both rooms, like upstairs and downstairs for the kids. There's been so much moving of furniture. I'm going to be so happy when it's finally done, but we're nearly going to be done on Friday because the mattresses come in on Friday. So once I can get those settled, that will make me really happy. The next step after that is going to be the couch downstairs. So we're going to get rid of my couch and then we're moving his couch in because it's a lot better than mine. So that is the plan. And then we'll be finally done and it's going to be so nice. I'm so ready for things just to like be calm for a bit. But anyways, I'm going to stop jibber jabbering. We're going to go ahead and get into this video. So give the video a thumbs up. Everything that I talk about is linked down below. The lip color is a little bit different of a lip color. It's more of like a nude. And this is from, this is Bobbi Brown. And I thought for a second it might have been, I don't know why, I was about to say Hourglass, but no, this is Bobbi Brown. And this is in the shade Rosewood, and this is shade 112. It's really pretty nude. You could definitely like do like a darker lip liner with it and like add some depth. I think that would be gorgeous with it, but that is what I'm wearing. I'll have it linked down below. Now let's get into the video. All right, so first off, I have a package from Liquid IV. I think there's another one back there too, but I live off of Liquid IV, you guys. It's the only thing that I drink when I do pickleball. So if you're doing any type of activity, I would suggest just put a Liquid IV in your Hydro Flask. It literally, it quenches your thirst. It like if I drink water when I do pickleball, I feel like it does nothing for me. But if I take like a sip of Liquid IV, it's like, whoa, I'm like already hydrated and I don't need that much, which is amazing. So I have a code with them. It's Madison 89 Miller and it's 20% off. If there's any holiday time, it's 30% off, just so you guys know. But I have this one sent over. This is the watermelon one, which I love. I love watermelon. And then I also really love the immune support ones. These are actually my favorite. I like the tangerine or even the wild berry blend. These are great. I love these ones because of all the extra vitamins that are in them. So I tend to prefer these ones over these, but this still does just fine. So watermelons taste like a Jolly Rancher. It's really good. But love these. I can't live without them. I like have a whole little storage system for them in my pantry downstairs and I go through it so fast. Okay, so sticking with Liquid IV, this is the other box right here. So this is their Sea Berry Hydration Multiplier. It's a bursting with super fruit flavor. And I think, was this an older made? It says relaunch. Okay, so this is a relaunch of it. So this is so cool. So they came out with this flavor again, Sea Berry. I have not tried this one out, so I'll let you guys know what I think of it. Okay, so next up we have a package from Maybelline. It says, say hello to your beauty must-haves, the new Tattoo Studio Ink pen liner and the classic lifter gloss. So I am super stoked to try out this liner. I still use eyeliner even with lash extensions. I love to do a wing for when I go out. It's so pretty. So I cannot wait to try this one out. Then we also have their lifter glosses, which these are great. I've used these before. I love them. I love just this guy right here. I have this one already. It's just a really pretty, just like super, it gives your lips a really pretty like super glossy finish. And this one is actually pretty clear. But These are gorgeous, so I love those. Thank you so much, Maybelline, for sending these over. All right, so we got some other glosses that I love. It says Let's Party Galentine. These are from Buxom. I'm obsessed with Buxom. So they sent over this limited edition from Buxom with Love Plumping Matte Lip Gloss set. I love Buxom's lip glosses. I have one in my purse right now that I'm just like obsessed with. I forgot what it's called, but these right here, this one retails for $17. I'll see if I can still find this little set. The colors is Dolly and Chill Night in here. And these are just, I even love ones like this because they're so much smaller to put in your clutch for when you go out at night, which is amazing. And so these are like these are like their liquid lips right here. So that one's, that's Dolly. So beautiful. I love me some Dolly. And then we have the Chill Night one, which is, this is a beautiful nude too. Look at this. Both awesome, awesome colors. Oh my gosh. I didn't know if I was going to like this one by looking at it in the tube, but swatched in my hand. It's really, really pretty. So super stoked about those. Thank you, Buxom. This is a great little set right here. All right. So next up from Bed Babe. They sent over a package, you guys, and it says, Hi, Madison. We are so excited for you to try Bed Babe, your new nighttime ritual for glowing skin. We've made a beauty sleep into a reality and packed dermatologist recommended ingredients into a tasty drink to help you sleep soundly while helping improve your skin hydration, texture, and elasticity. All you have to do is drink it, 1 can, 30 minutes before bed. So that is awesome, you guys. So these just launched. Super stoked. Definitely gonna have to give these a go. These are gonna be something that I'd probably not leave it downstairs, grab a can as I come up, have one right before bed. That's awesome. So this has ceramides, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, melatonin, and magnesium. So actually, this is going to be really good to help you sleep with the melatonin in it. And also magnesium helps you sleep. And also, I think magnesium also helps with headaches, right? So this would be great. Serving size is 1 can, and it only has 10 calories. That's what I like. I was like kind of nervous. I was like, how many calories is this before bed? But only 10, so I can do that. So I like that. And they sent over this really awesome sweatshirt too. Oh, I love it. It's huge. The only BS I need is beauty sleep. I like this. This is awesome. Oh my God, I'm gonna live in this sweatshirt. Thank you so much, Bed Babe, for that. I really appreciate it. You guys, check them out. I'll have them linked down below. Definitely will let you guys know what I think about it. Okay, so next up from Paulas Choice, we have a Pro Collagen Multi-Peptide Booster. So it's 6-time peptide complex, provides multi-layer visible firming, plumps, and smooths wrinkles. Ooh. Oh, and they're even showing like the forehead wrinkles that you get, and it helps smooth those out. You know I'm using that because I don't really do Botox anymore. I don't really do anything anymore. Everything is gone. So definitely need to smooth out these lines. So I can't wait to try this out. So it's like a nice little dropper. Smooths lines in 15 minutes, clinically proven to visibly firm, plump, and reduce wrinkles after 4 weeks. So we are going to test this out. You can get this available already at paulaschoice.com and sephora.com. I will have it linked down below. I am super stoked to try this out. I will definitely give you guys an update on it because I need that. Okay, so next up from You Beauty, they sent over, I think it's called You Beauty, right? Let's see what they sent over. They said the Return Eye Concentrate. Ooh, this looks so nice. Ooh, looks fancy. I can't wait to use this. Okay, so it says the Return Eye Concentrate brings siren capsule technology to the face's most notoriously hard to treat area. Fragile and thin, the skin around the eyes is especially prone to signs of aging and fatigue, resulting in inflammation, puffiness, and accumulation of stagnant fluid. Thanks to our patent-pending delivery system that delivers actives to the skin that it needs most, the Return, which is what this thing is called, is groundbreaking in its ability to deliver quick and efficient results without irritation. Think, minimize fine lines and wrinkles, visible depuffing, and brighten, tightened, and contoured skin in one single step. Ooh, oh my gosh. So you can get this on youbeauty.com. I will have it linked down below for you guys. I am so stoked. I've actually been looking for a new eye cream to try out, and I am really excited to use this. I could definitely use it. So I will keep you guys updated on that one. It looks so nice. I cannot wait. All right, guys. So next up, this is from Makeup Forever. And I saw so many campaigns with this and I know exactly what it is. So this is this new powder foundation that they came out with. It's the new HD Skin Matte Velvet Powder Foundation. Super nice. I have been seeing this everywhere, and like there was one that I really loved. Oh, it was Kelly Strack. She did it so well. I loved it how she wiped it off her face and so you could see her bare skin, and then she showed her reapplying it and how it just blended in perfectly. It was perfect. That was amazing. So this is going to blur, mattify, and comfort, and it's 24-hour comfort. So this is great. It retails for $43. You can get it online or in store at Sephora or makeupforever.com. They sent over 3 shades to me, which I believe I selected. I think they emailed me and then I could select the shades. I love it when brands do that, so then that way I can kind of see what would work for me. These are what the compacts look like right here, and it kind of goes with the color they are, so you can see that there's a difference in color. Really nice, sleek packaging. I really like that. So we're gonna go to 2N26 here. Open this one up. That looks a little dark. I don't know. Well, right now my foundation does not match my body. I used a new self tanner and it got me so tan that my foundation that I use for self tanning does not even get me dark enough to match it. So we might have a match in here. That one's a little, this actually might work right now to be pretty honest. Yeah, this one would work right now. Oh my God, it's so dark, but it would work for me right now because I just got so dark. I tried this Coco and Eve one and it was like it wasn't even their ultra dark, it was their dark. But I got so like, I don't know if I'm not a big fan of the tone of it. I wish I had more olive tone to it, which is why I really want to try their ultra dark one, because usually their ultra dark and tanning solutions are more olive tone and the darks tend to be more warm for me, but it's not. I need to get a darker foundation to go with it, but that's what these will go for. So we'll try these out. Ooh, these are dark. I hope that this would work. I mean, I can get these to work right now with this tanner. So we'll try this out. We'll see how it goes. Super nice. And they have so many colors too, which is great. So I'll let you guys know how that works for me. We'll have to test it out. I feel it'll be interesting. All right, guys. So this next package is from, I'm not sure. It just had a bunch of little boxes in it. So we're going to see. Ooh. Okay, we got some stuff from Patchology, which I have a code with them. I believe it's a Madison 15. You can use my code Madison15 to save 15% off on their website on everything. So they send over the Perfect 10 right here, which is definitely needed. Oh, the feet one too is really needed for me. We have a breakout box here, which I have not tried Patchology's ones, so I'm super stoked about that. The ones I usually use are the Zitsika ones. Oh, we got more Patchology. So we got, oh, I love these ones. This is the Flash Mask, the hydrating one, which is amazing. We have the lip service. Oh, you look so good. It has miel, vitamin B3, and goji in it. We also got some more foot ones, which I need to do. I need to do it. Illuminate, detox. Oh, they have just hooked me up. I could put these in my skincare fridges. Oh, and I love these. The Serve Chilled bubbly mask. These are gel, you guys. They feel so good on your skin. Put them in a beauty fridge and oh my God, it's life-changing. And then I also put these in my beauty fridge too because I've been having Ross do this with me as well. These are the Flash Patches gels right here, which are great. I love those. These are the illuminate. Oh yeah, these ones are like ones I love. These are illuminating ones. We have the rejuvenating ones, and then these ones are also another ones that I really like to use are the restoring night gel ones for nighttime. So these just come in like a little pack like so, and you just twist them open, boom, you grab them out. They're great, and you put them in a beauty fridge. I have one upstairs, like I was just saying. It's in my laundry room. I put all this stuff in there. It's so good because I just go in there. I'm like, oh, it feels so good on my face. You know what I'm going to do tomorrow morning? I'm actually going to do some eye gels in the morning when I wake up. That will be really nice while I drink my coffee. I don't have any girls tomorrow morning, so I can sleep in past 6 o'clock because Kinsley's up at, well, Kinsley's sometimes up at like 5:30, or just will not want to stay in her bed. So she's with me and I'm holding her. It's been rough. She's been going through that 2-year sleep regression, even though she's not 2 years old yet, but she almost is. But poor me and Ross, we were just like, okay, we got a little bed hog here, because she'll go diagonal and sleep on top of him like this, and then I got her feet, and it's hilarious. It's hilarious. So anyways, that is everything that I got in this PR unboxing. Definitely a slow week. I am sorry, you guys. I tried to hold this out. I'm even filming this way later than I usually film in the week. I was trying to go back and get more packages, but there's just is not anything in right now. I usually, whenever there's a holiday, it goes a lot slower. So I think next week will probably be a lot more. Everything that I showed is linked down below. Check it out. I love you guys. Make sure you're following me over on Life of Maddie for like the mommy and lifestyle content. Make sure you're following me on TikTok. I do a lot more like get ready with me's and little vlogs over there now. I'm kind of posting them a little bit on Reels too. So follow me in all those places. Everything is linked down below. I love you. And I'm also vlogging today too. So there's a vlog coming here soon. So yeah, anyways, I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.